This is the National Weather Service office at Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. The preceding signal was a test of the new all hazards radio public warning system on station WXM80 from Riverhead, New York. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this signal and receiver performance on
Of course that one doesn't work.
Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can sometimes occur, even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: on Long Island in southeast New York, Nassau, and Suffolk, and in southern Connecticut, Fairfield, Middlesex, New Haven, and New London. Once again, this was only a test. Here is the extended forecast. Saturday, sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. Saturday night.
I was able to contact the National Weather Service, at least my National Weather Service office, and they said that they had a system glitch, and that's why they ran it so late.